All right, y'all, today on Southern Boys Outdoors, we cooking them sticky, icky, gooey, ooey pork chops. All right, y'all, first up, we're gonna melt down 1 stick of butter. While that stick of butter is melting down, we're gonna come over here. See these pork chops right here, these little pork chops? We're gonna grab them like that, and we're just gonna we're gonna get them all seasoned up. Get it flipped over like that, and we just wanna keep repeating. We're gonna go in there with them pork chops. We're just gonna drop them pork chops right across that bottom like that. Ooh, wee boy, don't that look so pretty right there, Brother Dallas? Browning down them pork chops, look at that. Ooh, wee boy, look how pretty that looks right there. Oh yeah, starting to get a little bark on them. All right, y'all, look at that. Them pork chops are all browned down. We're gonna get them up out of there. Huh, Brother Dallas, does that look good or what?
Oh yeah.
Huh, I'm telling you right now, y'all, this here little meal right here is gonna be hard to beat. Pull that last one out of there. Gonna lay it right there. Don't worry, y'all, them there's going right back in there. Now we're gonna take that Holy Trinity, we're gonna dump down in there. Now you see all that build up right here on the side like that, Brother Dallas? All that's flavor and all that's gonna come loose. On the bottom, see how all that's starting to come loose? Now what you wanna do, you can take a little bit of this water right here, drop a little water in there like that. And what that'll do, that'll help break all that up. You'll see it, it'll all just come loose. That whole pot's gonna be clean here in a minute. All right, Brother, I'll show them that pot. Look how all that flavor come off that pot. See all that build up? All that's clean now. Now we're going in there with a cup of brown sugar. Drop that brown sugar in there like that. And this here is gonna make like a paste, y'all. Watch this. Telling y'all, boy, ooey gooey, sticky ooey gooey pork chops today. And ain't that looking good right there? Now we're gonna go in there with about a half cup of flour. Oh, move that spoon out of the way. All down in there like that. Just get that all mixed in. That's gonna start tightening up right here, y'all. That's almost like a roux right here. Watch it all change, y'all. It's all changing right now. The paste is turning into right there. Now we're gonna go in there with a little water. And then what I like doing, y'all, I like adding a little bit at a time. I ain't gonna add a lot at a time. I'm gonna add a little bit of water at a time. Watch it, it's thicken up. See it get thicker? Look at that, look at that, look at that. Add some more water to it. Watch this. It's gonna get thicker and then it'll get thinner. What we talking about right there. The ooey gooey is ready for them pork chops, and here we go. We're gonna drop them pork chops right back down in there. Just drop them down in there like that. I'm telling you, it's gonna be some good stuff here today now. Everybody's always talking about my belly. Y'all see why I got a big old belly. Look at this food right here. Now what we're gonna do, y'all, we're gonna get them pork chops buried down in that ooey gooey right there. Get that all bound down in there like that. Now we're gonna turn that fire down on low. Lid it up right there and let her simmer cook for about 30 minutes. All right, y'all, here we go. Check this out right here. Look at them sticky, icky, gooey pork chops right there, y'all. Oh, look how pretty that looks right there, huh? Man, let's dig in there and get us some of that right there. First up, y'all, we got that rice cooked down right here. Get me another spoon right here. Come in there, grab some of that rice, put it in the middle of that plate like that. Yeah, boy. All right, let's go in here for one of them sticky, icky, ooey gooey pork chops. Go in there like that. That's 2 of them. I don't want 2, Brother Dallas. I just want 1 of them. There we go. Ooh, look at that gravy, boy. Look how thick that gravy is, huh? Look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that. Plate right there, huh? Oh, don't that look so good? First up, let's try some of that gravy. Let's get us some of that bunny bread right here. Sop down in there. Come over here. Now, y'all, that's a plastic fart right there. See if I can cut that pork chop with that plastic fart. That's what I'm talking about. Uh-oh. Got a little fat on it there. Look at that, y'all. Now, let's go in there with that pork chop. See how that's tasting right there. Y'all, you know how you got them sweet pork sandwiches and got that little sweet heat to it? That's this right here. Sticky, icky, gooey pork chops. It's here right here on Southern Boys Outdoors. I'm telling you right now, y'all, cut it with a plastic fork. It don't get no better than this right here, y'all. Sticky, icky, ooey gooey pork chops. Gotta try them.